to our YouTube channel. We're making churros today. I'm just going to add the water to the pot and put it on, put the stove on. Okay. So it depends on how many you want, how many people you make it for. And you just make it not too much lump. If you are making for 1 or 2, so you just have the water and then every other thing. This is sugar. I'll show you what I use to measure the sugar also. And this is butter. Preferring no salted butter. So you just turn it around, wait till it dissolves. Yeah. You can see the sugar and the butter made together now, and the naan is boiling. So I will just be adding flour. At this point, you might want to just off your stove so you'll be able to. The stove is still hot anyway, even if I off mine. Yeah, you will let it a little bit cool out, little bit before the next what you will do next. So I am done mixing it in the pot. I'll be putting 3 eggs on it. So you just turn it together. So far, I use this cup, 3 of this one for flour, and 2.5 water, 1 sugar. That's what all I mix together. Turn it until you get this color. Now I am mixing the egg together. You continue mixing until they smooth, the egg smooth inside. Okay. So how is it?
It's very good.
Have you tried it?
I try it off camera.
So you can enjoy your Cheerio with Nutella. This one is Nutella, or you can make chocolate to enjoy it. For me, because the Cheerio itself is already sweet, so I don't have to use anything to eat it. I can just eat it like snacks like that. And yeah, so you can see the kids are enjoying themselves. So we're done for today's video. See you guys soon. Ciao, bye.